Course registration process for Co-Requisites. Step 1. Access Navigate360. On the CCD Connect dashboard, click Navigate360, Student Home. This takes you to the Navigate360 Student Home page called Explore. Step 2. Check to see if you have notifications or holds. Review the Notifications tab and resolve any current notifications, or review the holds icon prior to continuing, as some outstanding holds can prevent you from registering. Step 3. Access Planner. After checking your notifications and holds, click the Planner tab to view your academic plan. In the middle window, check the boxes next to the classes you want. Click Add to Term and choose your upcoming semester. Step 4. Check Co-Requisites. Select the View, Edit Schedule button. You can view co-requisites for each class prior to trying to register for it. By selecting the 3 dots to the right of the course section you are interested in, selecting View Section Details, and they will be listed below the course section meeting times. If a co-requisite is required, you must complete the next steps in order. Step 5. Select Class Sections. In the left window, select the class section you need. Click Add Section. The section will be scheduled and listed below your calendar. This section will then populate with 2 notices in a yellow box and a button that says View Co-Requisites. Click the View Co-Requisites button. Pop-up will appear that shows the co-requisite course for the section you added. Click Add to Schedule, and your co-requisite will be added to your scheduled courses. Close out of the co-requisite pop-up to view the changes to your scheduled courses. Step 6. Register. After adding the co-requisites you need, you can now register for your courses. If you need more guidance, please review our course registration process video.